It's a common kitchen crisis. Your old fridge drawer cracks. Food loses its freshness. It's a sad sight, but don't fret. The Samsung Fridge Crisper Bin DA97-08693B is here. It's a real game changer. This replacement drawer fits many models. For example, it works with 25 rupees J500 DSR also. It fits 25 rupees H5000 Steradian. Furthermore, it works with 25 rupees J500 DBC. This bin replaces older parts too. Specifically, it replaces DA97-08693A. It also replaces DA6105548D. This means less searching. You get more convenience. Installation is simple. It slides right in. Now, your produce stays crisp. It stays tasty longer. This truly is an upgrade. Think of it like this. Your old drawer was a wilting plant. This new one is a blooming garden. It breathes new life into your fridge. Consequently, your fruits stay firm. Your vegetables remain vibrant. No more limp celery. No more soggy lettuce. Moreover, this bin is built to last. It's a sturdy container. It holds plenty of items. This keeps your fridge organized. Everything has its spot. Additionally, it clears up clutter. This makes meal prep easier. You'll find what you need quickly and efficiently. This Samsung Fridge Crisper Bin DA97-08693B is essential. It's a kitchen superhero. Ultimately, this crisper bin is a smart investment. It protects your groceries. It saves you money. Less food goes to waste. Plus, it makes your fridge look new. It feels new. Your kitchen gains a fresh feel. The design is sleek. It blends seamlessly. Therefore, your fridge looks better. It works better. The Samsung Fridge Crisper Bin DA97-08693B enhances your daily life. It's more than a drawer. It's a freshness preserver. It's an organization wizard. You will truly appreciate this upgrade. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference. Pros: no cracks, no damage, fit my fridge perfectly, cannot tell it is not the original, arrived fast, perfect. Fit, hole in fridge usable again, solid. Quality replacement, installation was easy, feels like it will last longer, works incredibly well. Large and in charge features. Upgraded design, crisper drawer, Samsung compatible, replaces DA97-08693B, replaces DA97-08693A, replaces DA6105548D, fits 25 rupees J500 DSR, fits 25 rupees H5000 Steradian, fits 25 rupees J500 DBC, upper fridge bin. This is an upgraded crisper drawer made for Samsung refrigerators. It replaces several different part numbers, including DA97-08693B, DA97-08693A, and DA6105548D. This drawer fits specific Samsung models like the 25 rupees J500 DSR, 25 rupees H5000 Steradian, and 25 rupees J500 DBC, and it's designed to be the upper crisper bin in your fridge. This upgraded crisper drawer is a great replacement for several Samsung refrigerator models, including the 25 rupees J500 DSR and 25 rupees H5000 Steradian. It's a solid, high-quality bin that fits perfectly, making your fridge's crisper section usable again. The drawer arrived quickly, was easy to install, and feels like it will last a long time. It works incredibly well and looks just like the original.